Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is attachment. It's a B2 level noun, meaning a file sent with an email. So, what exactly is an attachment? Well, think about sending an email. Sometimes you need to send more than just the text of the email itself, right? You might need to send a picture, a document, or maybe even a video. That's where an attachment comes in. It's essentially a separate file that you add to your email. Now, let's explore some words that are similar or synonyms. A close synonym for attachment is enclosure. For instance, please find the contract in the enclosure. Another synonym could be add-on, as in, the software update is an add-on to the existing program. Okay, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning. One antonym could be detachment. His detachment from the situation was obvious. Another antonym could be removal, as in, the removal of the file was necessary. Now, how do we use attachment in everyday conversations? Well, pretty frequently. For example, you might say, "Did you see the attachment I sent you?" Or, "I've included the report as an attachment." You might hear phrases like, "Check the attachments," or "I can't open the attachment." Here are a few more examples. "I sent you the invoice as an attachment." "Make sure you download the attachment before the meeting." Or, "He opened the attachment accidentally." Remember, an attachment is just a file that's joined to an email. That's it. I hope that's all clear. To summarize, an attachment is a file sent along with an email. Synonyms include enclosure and add-on, while antonyms are words like detachment and removal. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I really appreciate you spending the time to learn with me. Now, if you've enjoyed today's episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support really helps others find our show. Also, I'd love to see what you've learned. Write your own sentence using the word attachment and share it as a comment below the video. Until next time, happy learning!